Here's how you will use the Seesaw tools to complete an activity. I'm just going to follow the directions on the page and show you how to use the tools. So first, I'm going to use the text tool, and I can just start typing right away. I can type my name. If I want to move it, I need to click somewhere else and put it here in the box. Then it says select the text and click on the three dots to change the font and the color. So I go up here to Style, and I can change the style of my text, and I can change the color. Next, it says use the Move tool, which I already have selected down here, the hand touching the box, to arrange the numbers. So if I move these boxes, then they will move where I want them to, as long as I have the hand tool selected. Oops, I could rotate that one. Next one, use the pen, which is down here, the pencil, the pen, the highlighter, or the magic pen to circle your favorite activities. I bet you're wondering what the magic pen looks like, so I can select that one and a color, and I can circle my favorite activities. If I want to make it a little bit skinnier, so I don't make the shape disappear, I can do that too. There we go, those are my favorite. Okay, then it says add your favorite shape. I come over here to these three dots and select Shapes. I can add any shape I want. You see there's a lot of choices. I like the star right here. And I have the hand tool selected again, and there's my favorite shape. Last direction says use the eraser to discover a hidden picture. Here's the eraser right here down by my other pen tools. If I have the eraser selected, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so I can erase easily. And I erase. Oop, it tells me great job, I'm done. And to save your Seesaw activity, you'll always click the green check mark up here in the corner. The last two tools that aren't part of my directions but that I could use are this microphone over here. I could record myself. I want to make sure to say allow, but I could record myself talking about myself if that was part of my directions. Down here, this little quotation symbol I could click on, and I could make a caption about Mrs. Hennings, or this is where I could add a voice caption as well, so I could tell about what I created.